Hello and welcome back. Have you ever needed to make plans in English? Or maybe you made a plan and then had to change it or cancel it. Today we're going to cover all of that: how to suggest plans, agree to them, and also how to politely change or cancel them without causing offense. This is extremely useful for everyday life, work, and social situations. Let's get started. Let's start with how to suggest a plan or activity. How about going to the cinema on Friday? What about meeting for coffee this week? Why don't we try that new restaurant? Shall we go for a walk this afternoon? Would you like to come over for dinner on Saturday? Do you fancy going to the gym together? Do you fancy? Is very natural and informal British English. It means do you want to? Responding positively. That sounds great, I'd love to. What a good idea, I'm in. Definitely. What time were you thinking? I'd really like that. Let me check my calendar. Count me in, that sounds like fun. Once someone agrees, you need to nail down the details. When works for you, what time suits you best? Where shall we meet? Should I book a table or can you do it? Let's say 7 o'clock, does that work? How about we meet outside the station? Confirming the plan. Great, so we'll meet at 7 outside the restaurant. Perfect, I'll see you Saturday at noon then. I'll send you the address. Don't forget to let me know if anything changes. I'll put it in my diary, looking forward to it. Checking details. Sorry, did you say 7 or 8? Just to confirm, we're meeting on Thursday, right? Can you remind me of the address? Now, sometimes plans need to change. Here's how to do it politely. Changing the time or date. I'm really sorry, but would it be possible to move it to Saturday instead? Something's come up, could we reschedule for next week? I hate to ask, but could we push it back by an hour? Canceling plans. I'm so sorry, but I'm going to have to cancel. I'm not feeling well. I'm really sorry to do this at the last minute, but something urgent has come up at work. I feel terrible about this, but I can't make it on Friday after all. When canceling, always 1. Apologize sincerely. 2. Give a brief reason. 3. Offer to rearrange if possible. Again, I'm really sorry. Can we rearrange for next week? I really hope we can find another time. I was looking forward to it. How should you respond when someone changes or cancels your plans? Responding graciously. No problem at all, these things happen. Don't worry about it, I hope you feel better soon. Of course, let's reschedule when you're free. That's absolutely fine, just let me know when suits you. If you're disappointed, oh, that's a shame, I was really looking forward to it. Never mind, let's definitely rearrange. I understand completely, we'll do it another time. What not to say, avoid making someone feel guilty, even if you're disappointed. A simple no problem is always better than I can't believe you're canceling again. Wonderful work today. Let me recap what we learned. We practiced making suggestions. How about? Shall we? Do you fancy? We learned how to make arrangements, agreeing on times, places, and details. We covered changing plans politely. Something's come up, could we reschedule? And we practiced responding graciously when plans change. Try writing out a short dialogue between two friends, one making a plan and the other having to cancel and rearrange. Use as many phrases from today as you can. See you in the next lesson.